My name is Mary May, and I am a woodcarver. And the tool that is really my favorite is this. It's an antique tool. It's a little skew chisel. It's a straight chisel that's at a slight angle, really nice to get into tight areas. And I believe it's handmade, you can kind of tell along there. But what I find interesting about this is that there are at least 5 different stamps on the handle, and which really, well, I like to think that it actually means that there were 5 different generations of woodcarvers using this tool. Now, I bought this over in England, and I don't know the story. There's J. Coxall, and actually there is a Gino Macero, who is actually a well-known carver from England, and I didn't know that when I bought the tool. I discovered him later, so that's pretty exciting. And let's see, there's an L and an M, and who knows, if this could talk, it would be pretty exciting to find the history. So that's my favorite tool, and thank you for watching Tool Tuesday.